Hello, my name is Klaudia Dębiec-Andrzejewska. I am co-founder and CEO of Bhumi, a spin-off company from the University of Warsaw in Poland. We are a team of scientists and microbiologists from the University of Warsaw Faculty of Biology, and through Bhumi, we implement our own solution developed based on years of our scientific research. Our main mission is to improve the biological quality of soil and promote sustainable solutions in agriculture. We believe that healthy soil is the foundation not only for high yields, but also for food security and environmental protection. We create microbiological products that support natural processes in the soil, improving its structure, increasing nutrients availability, and boosting plant growth. Our products are based on selected strains of bacteria, fungi, and metabolites, and we use cyclotolerant microorganisms which are able to survive in extreme conditions, not only in low temperatures, but also in environments contaminated with various pollutants. Thanks to these unique properties, our products are effective in a wide range of soil and climatic conditions. Field tests have shown that our products can reduce the use of synthetic fertilizers by as much as 40% without compromising yields. Importantly, our products are already available on the market, and we offer solutions for both commercial agriculture and hobbyist growing plants, whether in garden or balconies or in greenhouses. Bhumi is more than just a company. It's an initiative that bridges science with practice. We aim to help farmers and gardeners transition to more sustainable and biologically active farming systems. Thank you for your attention, and I invite you to join us in our efforts for healthy soil and responsible agriculture.